Hi everyone, Amy here with your Tuesday Tidbit. And alas, the groundhog saw his shadows. So supposedly we have 6 more weeks of winter. So here's a few hints if you're a buyer or seller in this market right now. If you are a buyer and looking at houses, wear easy on, easy off shoes. Just so much easier for everybody. You don't have to struggle with 15 laces on your boot every time you take them on or off. And you can do what I do. If you don't like to wear booties, bring your own slippers. I do. They don't have to be as bulky as this, but it's still nice to do that. If you're a seller, you do have to provide booties for people. You want to protect your floors from ice and salt. However, clean it up after a couple of days. If your house is vacant, have your agent do it. There's nothing worse than walking into a hallway, an entrance hallway, and finding strewn dirty booties everywhere. So yeah, nobody likes the dirty booty, okay? And I did say that. So you might also want to provide a chair so that people can sit down and put on booties or take on and off shoes if they have mobility issues. So there we go. See you next week.